Today, we're going to be creating a short demo on how business or systems analysts can utilize the business intelligence platform in order to create quick and realistic mockups during the requirements process. So as you can see on my desktop, I've saved a file that I'll use in MicroStrategy today to create a very simplistic mockup. This file contains just random data that I've made up about particular customer sales at a department store that sells athletic shirts, socks, shoes, you name it. It's all in the file. And so to start, you're going to log into MicroStrategy. On this particular case, it's on the web. And you're going to select Create Dashboard. Once it's loaded, we are going to want to pull in that Excel file that I created that I have on my desktop. So we're going to select Add External Data. And in this case, we are not connecting directly to a database. We're going to pull in an Excel sheet. To locate that particular file on your desktop, and this is the sample customer data. Select Finish. And as you can see on the far left, we have all the attributes that we have labeled within the particular columns in the Excel file. And in the middle of the page, you'll see your visualizations. So for this very first one, let's utilize ESRI Maps within MicroStrategy to see where exactly our customers are coming from. So on the far right pane, you're going to see icons, little shortcuts to commonly used visualizations. And in this case, let's go ahead and select ESRI Map. And once it loads, it will actually come up with, it will default to United States. So I'm going to pull over zip code into the geo attribute. And what it will do is it will go ahead and pinpoint all of the locations of my particular customers based upon the sales at my department store. So we might want to look at more of a grouped by view of this particular attribute. So if you change the properties on this particular visualization, let's change marker type to the bubbles and turn clustering on. So this gives us a little bit more of a view of what particular areas within the United States that most of our sales are coming from. And this will also dynamically change as you zoom in and out of this particular visualization. So let's go ahead and add one more visualization to our mockup. Let's say that the business stakeholders also wanted to see a bar graph of particular products that we sell and how much revenue we've accumulated from those particular products. So I'm going to go up to the top ribbon in MicroStrategy and select Add Another Visualization. And let's select the line graph. And we're going to also change the shape to a bar. Let's go over back to our attributes and let's pull the purchase product into the horizontal and purchase amount into the vertical. Let's go ahead and add, let's say, one final visualization to this. Let's say we have a requirement for seeing sales on particular days. So let's add a same type of visualization. Let's go ahead and pull it down to the bottom of the screen. Let's select a line graph. And let's pull purchase date over to the horizontal and purchase amounts up to the top. So as you can see here, it looks like April 4th of 2016, we had a little over $1,500 sold in our athletic department. Now obviously we can add customer logos up to the top. We can confine the view of each of these visualizations into a more visually pleasing view. There's all kinds of things we can do after this, but this is a very simple way of making a mock-up within the business intelligence tool in order to effectively communicate to your business stakeholders what exactly can be done and what some of the look and feel of a particular dashboard or report would be like. Thank you for viewing, and we hope this little demo can help your business intelligence projects become more successful through effective mockup creation during the requirements documentation task.